Alright guys, so we're getting ready to start decorating, as far as pictures go at least. So we've laid them all out and we're just kind of plotting out what is going where. And Matt is setting up the guest bedroom right now. Just getting the bed situated. We're going to clean in there and then kind of work on getting rid of all this and putting it on the wall. Alright, time for a little breakfast. It is about 9:40 in the morning. I'm going to scramble probably like 4 eggs. My mom, it's the day after Easter, by the way. My mom gave us leftover ham from Easter, so I'm going to chop some of this up, throw it in the scrambled egg, kind of like a ham and cheese omelet. I'm going to do some sharp cheddar, ham, cheese omelet, and then I think I'm going to toast up some of this sesame semolina. It's like a really hearty, dense bread. I'm going to toast this up, so we'll have toast and ham and cheese omelets, or kind of egg scrambles, for breakfast. Breakfast is done. So I made us, again, that sesame semolina toast with some butter. This toast is like super dense, so you only need 1 piece. It's like 2 pieces of regular toast. And then the ham and cheese scramble with a little bit of ketchup, and we're going to dig in and get a little bit of energy for this day. So I'm just cleaning up after breakfast. I like to clean as I go so that it is all set the next time it's time to cook a meal. My kitchen's clean, so I'm just loading the dishwasher and getting everything tidied up from breakfast. Alright, so this thing here, which is one of my favorite wall pieces, is going to go right on this white thing because our entryway is right here. And then this mirror here, got this like 15 years ago, I think, on a garage sale. Came with that trunk that I have, is going to go right on this wall here. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, April 3rd. I have just been vlogging the past couple days. You guys have probably seen, you guys saw already yesterday. I just got a bunch of random clips. And today I'm going to show you a couple things that we've been doing around the house too. So it's kind of my way of being able to keep you updated like little by little. Because I know so many people, you know, just want to see, you know, the progress and how we're setting everything up and all of that. And I mean, I would personally be interested too. A few YouTubers that I watch have moved over the years, you know, of me watching them, and I'm always curious too how people set things up and organize. And you know, pretty soon I'll be getting into more like in-depth how I organize videos. I hope to film a kitchen tour this week where I get in depth and kind of show what's in every cabinet and what's in every drawer and why I chose to organize the way I did. But I thought I would hop on now and just say hi. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit of backstory on this house because I know that there are a lot of people that think this is a brand new house, meaning like it was just built. I've even had some people think that we got this house built, and I wanted to kind of just update you and kind of give you a little backstory on this house. So this is not a brand new house. It's new to us, but it's not brand new. Like, we did not have it built. This house was actually built in the 50s, so it's quite old. It's like 60 something years old. It was completely renovated, remodeled from top to bottom. So that's why it looks new, but it's actually not a new house. It is a 2-story Cape Cod house. We have a large lot of land that the house is on. I think the lot is, I know it's over half an acre, but not, it's like 3/4 of an acre-ish. It's more than half an acre, but not quite an acre, which in New York is, especially in the area that I live in, is a pretty big lot. In our previous 2 homes that we've owned, we've had much, much, much smaller. In fact, our last home in South Carolina had a very small lot and a very small driveway, like only 2 cars could fit in the driveway, which I really did not like. Our first home, when I first started YouTube, that had a bigger driveway and a bigger yard, but this home by far has the biggest yard or a lot of land and a huge driveway. This house that we live in now could fit probably 10 cars in the driveway. The driveway is obnoxiously huge and I love it. I probably won't be saying I love it when I have to shovel it in the winter, but I love it. But anyways, it is a Cape Cod style home, which comes with some challenges because the upstairs has the slanted ceilings, which is pretty typical in a Cape Cod. So with that comes a couple little challenges. For one, we can't have in my bedroom now, we can't have a ceiling fan in here because the ceilings are too low. Just little things like that. But overall, we love the house. We have no regrets. We are much happier here than we were in our previous home, mainly because we have family and friends around, and it's just been great to have that interaction for both ourselves and our son. And so far, we're just really happy, and we're just kind of continuing to settle in. Tonight will be 1 week since we actually slept here. Even though we closed on the 22nd, our pod didn't arrive till the 27th, which was a week ago. So tonight is like our first official week of sleeping here. We've just been doing little things each day, like little projects. Yesterday was picture hanging day, and then each day is just a different task or maybe a different room. Next Monday, April 9th, my husband starts his new job. Grady goes back to school after spring break. So we're trying to get as much as we can done this week, and also throwing in some fun things too, of course, because it's spring break for Grady. But we're just trying to get everything, especially the important things, all situated and squared away before Matt goes to work, Grady goes to school, and I'm kind of on my own. Obviously, there are things I can do on my own when they're at work and school. But it's just been great having so much family time and getting settled together, and everybody is adjusting really well. Grady had a great couple days at school last week. My cat is doing great. A lot of people have asked about Alice. She's doing great. She seems like her normal self, but maybe just a little happier, because I think she senses that we're all happier. But anyways, I'm not going to ramble any longer. I'm going to show you guys a couple things around the house. I hope you enjoy the vlog, and I hope to do another vlog next week. And really start rolling out and filming a lot more videos next week when life gets back to normal, when again Grady's in school and Matt's at work. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys. Alright, so in our entryway, when you walk in, we have this mirror here. We got this like little shoe organizer for some of Grady's shoes. He has a lot of shoes. And then this little mirror. Garage is here, and then the laundry room is off the mud room when you walk in. So we have our washer and dryer, and then my drying rack, which eventually will get probably painted white, because I hang dry all of our clothes with the dehumidifier. So washer and dryer. Have to get a rug for in here. Huge double closet here, which is great for storage. And then we put this water cooler here, little mat. This is, what is this, porcelain tile? Yeah. Porcelain tile here, and then the bamboo flooring in there, and then there's bamboo flooring throughout the first floor, and then we put a couple pictures up, and then you go into the kitchen. So very simple, but it looks cute. We have a big mat here, and then a bench here, more shoes. So it's slowly coming together. Alright guys, so this is the main bathroom, and we just hung these pictures up yesterday. These are like a metal material. I've had these for years. I've got them at like Home Goods or Marshalls or something like that years and years ago. And we put this little shelf up like above the toilet area. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I just threw these 3 things on here for now. And then on my sink, I decided to keep all the products I use on a regular basis just to make it easy for me rather than putting it into the cabinet. So it's worked out really well to have everything that I use on a regular basis here. So it's coming along. The project I have to do in here in the next couple weeks is this closet. It is a disaster. So for one, if you can see, there's one shelf here, and then empty. So the plan is to move this second shelf up a little bit so that there's not such a huge gap here. So move this up and then add another shelf here and possibly another shelf here, because as you can see, there's a ton of waste. This closet is huge. There's a ton of wasted space right here. So right now I just have towels, you know, shower towels and or bath towels, hand towels. This is like all of our hot tools like blow dryer, flat iron, curling wand. My husband's like hair clippers, overflow products, but again, so much wasted space right here. And then this is just a cluster right now of all different things between, you know, first aid things and travel things, and then up here is kind of a lot of like backup tissues and toilet paper and all kinds of travel things. So this will be a project down the road, and I'm sure I'll do a video on how I organize it once I get all my shelving in. And then the shower curtain I put up. This shower curtain I've had for years. This is from Pottery Barn, the shower curtain, years and years ago, probably 7-8 years ago I got this, and it's in perfect condition. So it's coming along.